Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, children.
Good evening.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay. Children, just wait for a few minutes so that Advik Panjula then can join. Then we will start. Okay. And today we are going to start new chapter. Kindly sit along with your pencil, scale, eraser. Okay.
Ma'am, is it geometry?
Yes, we will start geometry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Chiranjay, what are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
What you are doing?
Nothing.
Again, you will start tapping.
Something I've taken.
Why you are doing this, beta? Okay, children. Let's start. Tell me, what do you mean by point?
A point is a simple dot used in decimals.
Yes. Using
In decimals.
single dot, or you can say single, yes, single dot.
Or ma'am, it is also used to locate things like center in the circle.
Yes.
It also used to mark the distance from, for example, point A to B is in is So we can find it by pointing a point to A and B.
Are you reading from somewhere, beta, or you are just telling me?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me,
Ma'am, and
am I audible?
yes, ma'am.
Your voice is
Ma'am,
breaking.
and there is a
Screen is not visible.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
it is
yes, ma'am.
visible.
Okay,
Ma'am, are
okay.
we going to do geometry?
Yes, geometry we will start today. So first is point is where is my cursor?
Ma'am, are we going to learn with point, line, lines?
Wait. I'm starting. Yes. Now, first is point. What do you mean by a point? A single dot, right? Right, beta?
Yes,
Or you can say this is a full
Yes,
stop
ma'am.
also, right? In English.
yes, ma'am.
So, is point has any direction? Any dimension?
No,
No, ma'am.
No. Point is dimensionless, right?
Yes, ma'am. And it is a basic unit of geometry.
Yes, dimensionless means it has no length or breadth, right? What do you mean by dimensions, beta? Can you tell me?
ma'am, dimension means the measurement in geometry.
Yes. Dimension is the measurement of the particular thing. Suppose we are having a laptop, right? So laptop screen, sometimes they are saying that laptop or LED, you can LCD, you can say 32 inches, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is called a dimension. Means its length measurement is given. Right, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Its measurement is given.
Ma'am, example.
Yes.
Ma'am, example.
And suppose if we are having,
A letter.
yes,
Ma'am, we
suppose
will
if we are having our this geometry box you all are having, right?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
you are
Yes.
having pouch. So it is having what it is having?
Ma'am, it has a point.
Ma'am,
Point
it have a
line.
length and breadth.
Ma'am, it has point, line segment, and ray.
Yes, it is having length, breadth, and you can say the widthness also. That how
Ma'am,
much? Yes, beta.
we will not write the definition of point.
Yes. First of all, I'm discussing. Then I will
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
write
ma'am.
the definition. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. We have to not write.
Okay, beta. Advik Penjugla, have you joined?
Yes, ma'am.
Good evening,
Ma'am,
beta.
some
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have to don't write this.
Yes, beta.
ma'am,
First of all, tell me screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, a tip
Yes,
of
beta.
pencil. Ma'am, tip of a pencil lid is also a point.
Yes. Okay. See. Share.
Ma'am, definition.
Screen is visible now. What you can see?
Visible, ma'am. Geometry.
Geometry, right? So what is geometry,
Geometry.
children? Geometry is a branch
Branch
of
of
mathematics
mathematics that
that measures and compares
compares
points,
points,
angles,
lines.
surfaces, and solids. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
So see, what this is your point here. You all can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, is that the definition?
Right?
Yes.
This is your point. So what is
Ma'am, your voice is
that can
breaking.
measure?
Yes, ma'am. Voice is not
Yes,
visible.
beta.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, once you leave and join again, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, once you leave and join again, rejoin.
Yes, ma'am.
No need to rejoin. Just wait. Just give me a minute. I'm checking my Wi-Fi. Just wait. Screen is visible now
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because now I'm not sharing anything. Okay. So let's start. What is geometry? First of all, what we have studied. What is geometry?
A branch. Ma'am, geometry is the
A branch of
a branch
mathematics.
of mathematics. Mathematics
Mathematics which measures
and
then
compares
which measures lines, angles,
point,
yes, point
solid,
and
solid, solid and
solids.
surface.
Very good. So geometry is a branch of mathematics which measures point, lines and angles. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So it means measures means that you will get to know what is the size, shape, right, of that thing. Right, beta?
Yes.
And it is the one of the oldest science It is oldest science. In earlier ancient time also, people used to make figures, right? And they are using drawing also, right? This is a branch of science only. Clear, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So in real life also, will you tell me where geometry is using? Where we can use the geometry?
Ma'am, for
I mean, our
measuring.
day-to-day life.
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
Now I rejoined, ma'am.
one by one, one by one. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I rejoined.
Okay, Advik,
Ma'am,
you
we
have rejoined.
use,
Ma'am, Wi-Fi went off, ma'am.
Okay, okay, beta.
ma'am, we use geometry in our day-to-day life.
Ma'am,
Where?
geometry.
I'm
Ma'am,
in such places, ma'am, where the geometry are seen.
ma'am,
Where
geometry
you
is
are
used.
using geometry? Tell me.
Ma'am, for making of the house, we use geometry and making
Yes.
a map of house.
Yes, ma'am. In geometry, ma'am, we use some scales, ma'am, and measure the house till how much it goes long and till where should we fit the furnitures.
Okay. So in geometry, first of all, your lines will come, right?
Yes.
Point I have told you. Now lines. So what is your line, beta? Line means which can be extended either on the both sides, whether on the left or whether on the right. This is a line, right? Chiranjay, Advik,
Yes,
Advik.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is
And
it right,
suppose,
ma'am?
yes, beta.
Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am.
A line is a line is
Is a collection
perfectly
of,
straight.
ma'am,
Is yes, beta.
ma'am, but a line is a collection of points extending
Yes,
and
yes. Wait, I'm explaining that only. Fine.
yes, ma'am.
Yes. First of all, draw a line, beta, with the help of scale only.
Minute, I will come, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I will come, ma'am. Wait, ma'am, for 1 minute.
Okay, okay,
Ma'am,
okay.
can you up your screen? I'm
Yes.
just typing. I'm
Okay, okay. Just wait.
Right.
Let me. Yes. Children, suppose if you are having a paper, I'm showing you a paper. This is a paper. Are you able to see?
no, ma'am. No,
Just wait. Let me. Yes. Now see. Can you see me?
yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you see this paper which I have hold?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'm going
Yes,
to.
ma'am.
Yes. Now see, children. I am going to. I'm going to fold it in the mid. See. I'm folding.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, when you open it, when you unfold it, then you will see that there is a crease,
Yes.
right,
Yes,
Peter?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there is a crease, and this crease, or you can say the part of this is a line only, beta. What is it? This is a line. So
Line.
crease. It is called
line.
a line. So line has a
Line.
length only. What it is having? Length.
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 Suppose if I'm adding one paper on the top and one paper on the bottom.
What?
And then again, if I am going to fold that paper, then you will again get a crease. Na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
It means that it has a length only and it is endless. Right?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
it?
Yes, ma'am.
It is endless. Understood? What do you mean by line?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, when will the
Endless.
class?
Yes, beta.
When will the class end, ma'am? We have no
yes.
idea.
When will the
Right.
end?
7:20.
7:20. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
actually my battery is running low, ma'am.
Okay. You can just charge your device.
Ma'am, I'm sitting this place, ma'am. There is no charger room at my room,
Okay.
ma'am.
So, children, I guess now you all have understood what do you mean by the line, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Suppose, see, this is a paper and you have folded from the middle. Then there
Line.
is a crease now. This is
Yes, ma'am.
a line. This is a line.
Ma'am, that it do not have any endpoints, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it do not have any endpoint.
No. Line don't have any end point. Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
So a line, see, a line is perfectly straight. Extended to means extended in both the direction. Extended in both the directions. Fine, beta? Suppose you have drawn a line like this. So you can extend it like this, then here from also, right? So in both the direction, you can extend it. Understood, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes. So a line has length only, and it has no breadth or no thickness. Got it this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Chiranjay, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the basic concept of line is this, that a line is its straightness and it can be extended indefinitely in both the directions. Understood?
ma'am, that means it
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
be measured.
Yes. So a line has no endpoints. A line has no endpoints. Find this thing?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, no, never mind.
Suppose a line is given AB. So how you will represent this line? See AB and you will make a line over the AB, right? Over the head of AB. Clear, beta?
yes, ma'am.
So you all have written this?
No, ma'am.
Please note this. Advik, turn on your camera, beta. Yes, fine.
Ma'am, can you show the point? Can you show the point one?
Yes, Advait?
Ma'am, can you show the first definition?
First definition, it was a point only.
Yes, ma'am. Can you show?
Okay, geometry definition, right?
No, ma'am. Point.
Okay.
Done, ma'am. All.
Note it down. Okay, Advik, just wait for it.
Ma'am, do lines have any dimension?
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Ma'am, done, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am, are you here?
ma'am, ma'am,
Done, children?
ma'am,
Have
ma'am,
you written?
yes,
yes,
ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, do lines have any dimension?
Line has only length. It has dimension, but it has only length. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Point has no dimension. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Now,
actually, my laptop got switched off, ma'am. That's why I left the meeting.
okay, okay, Chiranjan. Now, plane is listen. What do you mean by a plane?
Hey,
See, suppose you are having a table.
yes, ma'am. Plain me?
This is your
Ma'am,
table.
a flat surface.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is your table. So the flat surface of this is called plane. Got it?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes,
And suppose if you are having a football, then the surface of football, it means upper surface. That is called plane. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So
yes,
football is like this, na? Like this shape. There are so many.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, so this is the plane. So how you can define the plane? The surface of the top of a table or the surface of a football. The surface of a football.
What? Ma'am, we
Fine
should
is
draw, ma'am.
curved.
Ma'am, we
Yes. Yes, beta.
should draw also.
Yes, bacha.
Ma'am, we should draw, ma'am.
Yes, for your knowledge, you can draw, right? So a plane has length and breadth. Chiranjan,
Yes, ma'am.
voice is coming from your background, beta.
Ma'am,
A
there is a
plane,
puja.
okay. A plane has length and breadth, okay? And it has no thickness. Got it, this thing? What do you mean by the plane?
Yes, ma'am.
So the basic concept is of plane is its flatness and it extends indefinitely in all directions. Fine, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Please note this. And children, one more thing, children, that in coming Sunday's test, this chapter will come only geometry, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And you need to draw each and everything neatly with pencil and scale. Fine?
Ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am. After the class, you have to send you this classwork.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, Advik. Chiranjeev, where you are writing? Show me your notebook.
Ma'am, can you screen?
Yes, fine. Are you drawing with pencil or pen?
Ma'am, pen.
Why? I asked you to draw with pencil, na?
Ma'am, the class got end, ma'am. That's why I didn't heard that you said to draw with pencil.
And even this thing, I have given instructions also, right? Regarding this.
Ma'am, I also wrote with, I drawed with pen, ma'am.
Why, Advik?
Ma'am, I also.
Because you people are not listening to your teacher, right?
Ma'am. Again, I sit
Yes.
down and bring, ma'am.
But next time I want pencil along with you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And Adve and Advik, what about you? You are also drawing with pen?
Yes. Ma'am, right
Yes.
now I'm with pencil.
Yes, see. Adve, learn from Advik. Only Advik is listening to me. And rest are doing their own things, right? And Chiranjit is enjoying that ma'am is saying this thing, right, Chiranjit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you enjoying that ma'am is saying this thing? That you
No,
are not.
ma'am. No,
Yes.
ma'am.
We will not.
Okay, have you written, children?
Ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, please note it down it.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
Ma'am, we have to send you this after the class.
Yes, yes. Because I want to see.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Chiranjit written? Advik Panjugla
Yes,
written?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have written, ma'am. I'm sending.
Okay, oh, no need to send it right now. After the class only. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because we are doing more topics now.
My light segment.
Yeah. Now next is properties of points and lines. Okay. Now there are few properties of lines and points. So properties of
Properties of
lines and points. Okay. So first point is that an unlimited number of lines can be drawn. Lines can be drawn passing through a given point. Passing through a given point. Suppose we are having this point, right? So see, we are having this single point, right, children? See on the screen.
Ma'am, I'm writing. Yes. Yes,
This is
ma'am.
the single point, and from
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you can draw unlimited number of lines. Okay.
okay,
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first property, right? Note it down it. Then we will do second.
done,
Chiranja, what happened?
ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Nothing.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, very good. You have written this property.
Yes, ma'am. See, no.
Advik Panjugla written.
Ma'am, done, ma'am. First one.
Okay. Nowadays, Advik has started Writing very fast, right, Advi Penjugla?
Yes, ma'am.
He has
Learning
increased
to
his
write
speed.
fast, ma'am.
Chiranjay,
Yes, ma'am.
what are you doing, beta?
Ma'am,
Just
nothing,
focus on your
ma'am.
studies.
Yes, ma'am.
Ask for your father.
Noted, children. Advi, Kadve,
Yes, ma'am.
Chiranjay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Second one,
Now
ma'am.
next is, there is exactly one line. There is exactly one line passing through two distinct points. Two distinct points. Now see, suppose two different points we are having. See on the screens, children.
And ma'am.
Two distinct points are there. One point is this and another is this. So there is only one line which can passes through these two lines. See, if we are drawing line this. So only there is a one line. Clear this thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Please draw the figures also, children,
Yes, ma'am.
so that it will be easier for you na, to understand the topic.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Adve, Kadve,
Done.
Ma'am,
Adve.
I'm trying the figure.
Okay. Draw the figure.
No need to stop.
Advi Penjugla, what you are rotating?
Chair, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
So
Done,
all
ma'am.
have done. Please show me your thumbs up. Okay. Okay. Now next property is next property. Two different two different lines in a plane either
Two different.
intersect at exactly one point or are parallel. See, suppose you are having any plane. This is the plane. Two lines are there. So if they will intersect at point P, right? And if there is a plane, there should be parallel. Understood, beta?
Yes,
These are the parallel lines. What are the parallel lines? Which never intersect. Like your railway track, right?
Yes,
Understood?
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, done.
Fine. Yes, children, kindly
Done, ma'am.
send me a work after the class. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, children, now we will meet in next class. That is on Saturday. Fine, beta?
Yes,
Because
ma'am.
right now I'm having my next class. Yes, Advik Penjula, do you have any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
At Saturday, what we gonna write, ma'am? Chapter.
This is chapter geometry, beta. Chapter 5, I guess.
Saturday we will write, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye-bye,
Bye,
children.
ma'am.
Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.